Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change screen wallpaper on your Mac. Whether you're using a MacBook with an M1, M2, M3, or M4 chip, the steps are exactly the same. Let's get started. To change wallpaper, start by opening System Settings. There are two ways to do this. Click on the System Settings icon in your dock, or click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you've opened System Settings, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side with several options. Scroll down and select Wallpaper. Now that you're in the Wallpaper settings, on the right-hand side you'll see a selection of wallpapers provided by macOS. These include dynamic wallpapers, light and dark wallpapers, and static images. Click on any wallpaper to preview it. If you want to use a custom image as your wallpaper, click the Add Folder button at the top of the list. Then click Choose. Select the folder containing your desired images. Browse through the images in the folder, select your preferred image, click Choose, and it will automatically apply as your wallpaper. macOS also allows you to tweak how your wallpaper is displayed. Use the drop-down menu next to your selected wallpaper to choose between Fill Screen, Fit to Screen, Stretch to Fill Screen, or Center. Experiment with these options to find the one that looks best for your setup. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the screen wallpaper on your Mac. Whether you prefer a macOS default image or a custom one, it's simple to personalize your screen. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.